Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
The University of Delhi has released the application form of DU 2019 on May 31, 2019. The candidates who are seeking admission in various UG programs offered by DU can start registering themselves and fill the application forms by visiting the official website of the university. The process of registering and filling the application form will entirely be in an online mode. In this video, we will make the candidates acquainted with the steps of how to fill the DU application form for the academic year 2019-2020. Visit the official website and click on UG registration is now open. A new tab will get opened. The candidates will be needed to click on new registration. Fill in all the details related to your class 12 and then click register. Enter the OTP that will be sent to your mobile number and click on submit OTP. The page will be redirected to the login tab where the candidates will have to enter the registered email and the password. Then click on login. A tab will open with a list of important documents that the candidates need to keep with themselves before filling the DU application form. Then tick the statement and click on submit. The candidates will be directed to the personal section where they will be needed to fill their personal details. After clicking on submit, there will come a pre-filled application form. The candidates can click on edit the form or next to continue with the filled in information. After clicking on next, the candidates will be directed to the academic section. Here the candidates will have to fill information related to their academic qualifications. The candidates will again be shown the filled in information on the form. Click edit to edit the form or next to continue. A new tab will be opened with another section called merit. Here the candidates will have all the courses ticked and all a candidate has to do is untick the courses that they do not want. Click on submit once the courses are ticked. If the candidates want to apply for admission through an entrance test, then this section is for them. Click on yes and the candidates will be shown all the courses that can be applied for an entrance test, or else just select no. Another section is for the candidates who wish to apply for the sports category. Select yes from the drop-down options and choose the game. The window will later show the sports available in the different colleges along with the position. The candidates can choose up to 3 events of the competition in which they were awarded. If the candidates want to go for admission through ECA category, they can select the extracurricular activity from the drop-down and the specialization. The next section will be of upload section. The candidates will be needed to upload the requisite documents and make sure that they follow the resolution format. After uploading, click next. The window will now show the final preview of a fully filled in DU application form. The candidates can tick on I agree after reading the terms and conditions and then click on payment to remit the application fee. After clicking on payment option, the site will ask the candidates to verify the details by ticking against the checkboxes. The candidates will be redirected to the payment gateway to make the payments through credit card, debit card or net banking. The candidate can click on Home Pay Later to make the payments later. If the candidates click on Payment Gateway, they will have the option to pay the application fee via debit card, credit card or net banking or UPI. The candidates will be needed to fill in their mobile number, which will be already filled in, email ID and payer name. After filling in the information, the candidates can click on Proceed Now to make the payment.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and visit Careers 360 website for more details.